Hello, assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show you how to change dress color in Photoshop. It's very easy technique. So let's starting our video. I will use this photo and it is from Pexels.com. First I will unlock the background layer. Okay, now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then I will select her dress. So I am using pen tool. You can use any tool you want. Okay, I am fast forwarding the video. It will be easier for you. So selection is done. Now right click on the mouse and select make selection and feather 0, then click OK. Okay, it's in selection. Now I will mask this layer, so click on mask, so it's become mask. Now go to the adjustment layer, hue and saturation. Make sure the clipping mask is on. Then click on colorize. Okay, see, now you can adjust hue and saturation and also lightness to change the color of the dress. You can change it to any color as you want. So I think this color is perfect. If you're satisfied, then close the window. Then select these two layers and press Ctrl G to group this layer. Then name it blue. Okay, I will make another group. So I am duplicating this group by clicking Ctrl J and I am giving this layer name the green. Okay, now click on adjustment layer and then select the color to green. Okay, it's perfect. Close the window. Then I will do the same thing. Again press Ctrl J, then make another copy and name it red. Now again go to adjustment layer and set the color to red. Okay, now again repeat the same process. Press Ctrl J to make duplicate the group. Then name it black. Then go to adjustment layer and I will decrease the saturation. So it will become black color, and I will decrease the lightness also. It's perfect. Okay, that's it all. You can change as much as your colors you want in Photoshop like this. Okay, I'm showing you. This is blue color, this is green, this is red, and this one is black. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Allah Hafiz.